Hey everyone, it's Monica. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an Avatar inspired makeup look. I'm going to be turning myself into one of the blue characters from the movie. I put my Milk Hydro Grip Primer on first because I was so scared I was going to stain blue, which I didn't. I'm using the face paint I got from Amazon. I'll link it down below, but it's super nice because it doesn't fully dry and it has an oil type base, so I'm able to keep blending. Like, do you guys see me blending my edges? And my ears too. That's commitment. Don't let this look flop, people. Like and subscribe. Okay, now that the first layer is decently lathered on, I need to create the highlighted parts of my face using the lighter blue color. I mentioned the face paints are kind of oil based, so it was a little tricky not getting the lighter blue to blend in with the darker blue because I really wanted the high points of my face to appear brighter. The chest parts are the most annoying throughout this whole look because my hand kept cramping up whenever I did it, and it was such a larger area to cover. I ended up using the white color to make it stand out more because it was looking way too dull for me. I treated it like a contour type of thing. I kept getting war flashbacks to 2016 when we all used to clown contour. Honestly, there was never a need for us to be doing all that. It was just so much cream contour for no reason. The pink was not pigmented, so I ended up adding layers on layers in order to get the pigmentation I really wanted, and it still wasn't the shade of pink that I was seeking. Since there was so much face paint all over me and the blending was getting really tiring, I ended up using eyeshadow to set the paint as if it was like normal foundation and concealer. It helped a lot with the blending too because I was able to blur out the harsh lines I was having trouble with earlier. I just had to really dig into the eyeshadow because it was a lot of surface to cover and I just wasn't getting enough product out of it. So originally, I only wanted to use that white shade I was pointing to, but I ended up mixing it with the shimmer blue right above it. And honestly, it did wonders because it came out as like a blue purple shift shimmer, which gave the high points of my face the highlighted, brighter look I was originally trying to capture with the paint. I went back and forth between the highlighter colors and the dark blue eyeshadow over and over again to make sure it was fully blended before I was finally happy with the results. It was just like a lot of blend, 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 and more blending. So this part was a little tricky for me because I used the Kat Von D white liquid liner, but the little felt tip on the end didn't pick up enough product for me, so I actually poured most of it out onto my metal Anastasia Beverly Hills mixing tray and dipped the brush in there so that I could make dots faster. This was a very crucial part of the look in the movie, and I was getting really frustrated going so slowly, so this helped a lot. I tried to put dots over the lighter blue highlighted areas to help make the high points of my face stand out even more. I had to make sure to add some glam into this look, so I'm using the same dark blue eyeshadow I used to set all the paint earlier to smoke out the corners of my eyes. I mixed the white highlighter and blue shimmer eyeshadow to define my lid so the whole eye fits in the look. And then just go back in with the crease brush after you're done to just make sure everything's smoked out and the corners are all blended together. Use the white highlighter and highlight the inner corners of your eyes with a small detail brush. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel to bring more attention to my eyebrows because I still want them blended into the look. I just don't want them to stand out too much. I used the Chanel Kohl eye pencil along the top and bottom of my eyes. I didn't care too much about how the eyeliner on my top lid looked because I only drew it on so my falsies will be blended. Out of retirement, we have the NYX Jumbo White Eye Pencil. If you don't remember the craze over this eye pencil like 5 years ago, then you are way too young for me. But okay, seriously, this Wonder One mascara is kind of shitty. But I didn't want to use a nice mascara because I didn't want to get any white eyeliner or any blue paint in it. Overall, though, 6 out of 10 recommendation. Okay, say it with me, people. Kiss lashes are superior to Ardell lashes. Change my mind. This is our final step. I wanted a kind of blended matte lip look, so I use this liquid lipstick. It's the Sugar Rush Sugar Coat lipstick. It's a very velvety feel, so it doesn't dry down. It was good to blend with the blue paint around my mouth because I didn't want my lips to be too defined because, I wanted to look more natural. So that's it. I did these braids in the front of my hair before the video because I thought it would go well with the vibe of the look, and it totally did. Thank you so much for watching this whole video to see my creative process behind how I created this look. If you're into these types of full face paint, cosplay type of makeup looks, make sure you like this video and click subscribe to see more. Follow me on my social media to see other makeup and fashion content I post. Thanks for watching.